Dear devotees, Hare Krishna, we are happy to inform you about an upcoming course called the Bhakti Experience. It will be held in the ISKCON Salem temple in South India. It will be running from the 25th of June to the 25th of July 2024. It is an opportunity to live in a temple as a full-time resident for a whole month, hear various seminars on Gaudiya Vaisnava philosophy listed below, learn basic deity worship, the art of traditional cooking, attend karatala mrdangam lessons, improve your Sanskrit pronunciations, and visit some of the most beautiful temples in the world. All are welcome. Aspiring brahmacharis, grahastas, newcomers, experienced devotees, there is something for everyone. Come and have a unique experience and enhance your bhakti in the favourable atmosphere of South India. To enroll, see the link below. Hare Krishna, see you in Salem.